Hello everyone, hope you are all doing good. Today we have successfully installed another single stage odor control unit 2800 meter cube at one of our prestigious client locations. So the installation was carried out at the collection well, which is very deep, and you can see we have neatly covered with proper FRP sheets and with the proper frames. You can see here the proper FRP and proper FRP frames we have done. So once the sheet is enclosed, all the odor has been trapped inside it, so through which we have done a pipe routing. And yes, this is the 360 view where you can see the odor which is there, which is passing through the pipeline and through pre-filter. And these are all the ancillary parts, and once the odor which is passed through the vessel which has been treated, which is a special carbon media, and through outlet you will be getting a treated air. This is the H2S meter, which we ensure that the 0 ppm of H2S emits. Whatever the load comes to our unit, it treats and make it to 0 ppm. That means that 99.9% of removal rate. And here also client was facing a lot of odor issues, which is now completely eliminated, and the customer is also very happy. So we can replicate the same scenario for you guys also. So if you are facing any odor issues in STP or any kind of collection wells, please do call us. We will come and do a proper survey and will provide you a fantastic solution.